Hi guys, welcome back. It's me, Kermit, and I have my legs today. Today, I have legs. As you can see, let me just down here. One second, I'm gonna need to get this down. Down here. Oh, so as you, I know you can see Trevor, but I don't care. But I don't care about Trevor anymore. So, as you can see, let me stand over here. Here's a good spot. As you can see, I have legs. Right, Trevor? Yep, that's right. Yeah, so today I'm gonna tell you how I made the legs. So, you guys can use whatever you want for this. Mine are just made by a lay. Mine were just made by lays. And for the feet. All I did was put the tape inside here, where he puts his hand into me to make me be able to control me. And I got my feet right here. Here's one foot. The foot right here is taped on by blue tape, so you can use whatever kind of tape you can. Just don't use duct tape, because that's the worst tape for this. You can use Scotch tape, or I'm using painting tape. I don't know other tape, or I don't know any other tape that you could work with. Those are the main ones: Scotch tape and paint tape. And I taped on my feet to it. I cut the lay in half. I took these. I made the feet out of them. I still have my regular body, and all I did was use some other paint tape and tape them inside me, so it looks like you can't. That's why you can't see your tape, because they're on the outside. Because that would look ridiculous. So I always have my legs here. See? And that's how I made my legs, guys. So if you guys watch this video, I can't leave the directions because I don't really know the directions on how that happened. I just told you how it happened. That's why, because I'm not gonna write all that down. That's just dumb. Ooh, ball. I wanted a ball. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Okay. So here's my ball, and I'm gonna eat it. Yeah. Oh, you didn't see that. So we're gonna do more videos, and I'm always gonna have my legs now. Okay? So long.